Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I discussed a complete book list for civil service exam. In civil service exam, main subjects are history, art and culture, geography, polity, economy, science and tech, environment, ethics and current affairs. You can use this book list for your prelims as well as mains examination. Let's know the book list of every subject one by one. First, history. In history there are 4 parts: ancient, medieval, modern and world. For history, 6 to 12 NCERTs are very important, so follow NCERTs for your basic understanding about history, and then you can go for standard book. For ancient history, you can use a history of ancient India and early medieval India by Upinder Singh. This is very good book and cover every topic of ancient history. Next is medieval history. For medieval history, along with NCERTs, you can read a history of medieval India by Satish Chandra. Moving to modern history is very important topic for exam purpose, so prepare it very well. For modern history there are 2 books: A Brief History of Modern India by Spectrum, and second book is India After Gandhi by Bipin Chandra. Then come to world history. World history is not given in prelims syllabus, so you don't need to prepare it for prelims but for mains examination. For world history, you can read any coaching institute notes like Vision IAS World History notes available online, or you can read World History by Norman Loeb. Next is art and culture. For art and culture, 11th class NCERT of Fine Arts and Introduction to Indian Culture. After completing this, then you can go for art and culture by Nitin Singhania. Moving to next subject, geography. For geography, NCERTs are very important, especially 11th and 12th class NCERT. If you prepare geography NCERT from 6 to 12 very well, then I think you don't need to prepare it from any standard book. But if you have enough time to prepare, then you can go for JC Leong. With NCERT, atlas are very important for map practice. Next subject is polity, general studies 2. For polity, as we all know, Lakshmikant is very good book, so prepare polity from Lakshmikant. In GS2, number of questions are from government schemes and policy, so for this used economic survey and budget. International relations and social issues like hunger, health and education are also important topic of GS2, so prepare it from any coaching notes and with current affairs. Moving to next subject, economy, general studies 3. For economy, 9 to 12 NCERTs are important for basic understanding and concept of economy. Then go for standard book Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. If you face difficulties in understanding of economy, then you can go for Muranal's economy lecture on YouTube or Unacademy. After this, economy survey plus budget also important for your general studies 3. In general studies 3, there are important topics like international security and disaster management. For this, used any coaching material and follow current affairs. Then come to environment. For environment, biology NCERT of class 12th, only 13 to 16 chapter of this. After this, read Shankar IAS environment book. Moving to science and tech, I think you don't need to follow any NCERT because all the questions from science and tech are generally current oriented. So you can use any coaching material of science and tech and follow current affairs for new inventions. Moving to next, general studies 4, ethics. For this, you can read any class notes with ethics by lexicon book. Then come to current affairs. For current affairs, read daily newspapers The Hindu or Indian Express. Follow monthly magazine of any coaching institute and Yojana magazine. In last, I just want to recommend you that limit your resources and revise more and more. Thank you for watching. Let me know in comment box if this video helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.